I'll look at a rendezvous type question. We're told that the yacht is steering 090 at 4 knots and radar contact was made with the yacht, and we're giving the bearing and distance from the yacht. Our own ship is doing 12 knots. To appraise the situation, the master decides to initially take station 1 mile on the port beam of the yacht. The yacht will of course maintain course and speed. Due to the prevailing conditions, the yacht lights are considered to be visible 3 miles. So we need to calculate using a worksheet the required course that we need to go on and the relative bearing of the yacht when it's first sighted. So I always think before you do the plot, you can always just do a quick sketch. So that here we are, bearing 135 the yacht, going at 090, and we have to reach this position. So just looking at this, we can see that our approximate course is going to be around 115 degrees. I always think it's good to do an initial sketch, and that helps you to get it right when you're doing your triangle, your vector triangle. Now there are different ways of drawing this. From the centre, I draw 090 at 4 knots. That's what the other vessel is doing, 090 at 4 knots. From the centre, I go down to where the yacht is, 135 at 10.8 miles. So there is the yacht. I'll just do a little arrow of the yacht's course so I can ensure that I get the correct 1 mile off beam bearing. So I've just called that A. I could have called that O and that A, but it doesn't really matter. So that's where we have to get to. So from O, I draw a straight line. Okay, I'm going to call that my OA line. That's basically the line we'll go along on whatever course we need to steer to reach that position. Once you've done that, get your compass and, using the speed of the vessel, 12 knots, score the OA line. Get your parallel rulers and draw from W to where you've scored the line, and then go to the rows, and you can see that the course we need to steer is 118 degrees. Then we're going to first sight the yacht at 3 miles. So again, using the compass, score the OA line like so, 3 miles off. So we'll be coming down this line, we'll reach that point, and then we need to take a bearing of the yacht. We can get a true bearing at which we'll see the yacht. And the bearing is 146 degrees. Now we want it relative, so a relative bearing is always clockwise from your course, and our course is 118, so our relative bearing is going to be 28 degrees. So that's just a quick look at a typical rendezvous type question.